Hi, my name is Rakshit Bolar. I am the sales director for a company in Africa. As I said, we work with a range of products that includes MPOS, that includes the Leopard tablet, that requires the point of sale solution. Different range of products depending on the requirement of the client. These can be hybrid. What we do is deploy a whole estate of products across the country. These are typically having a GPRS SIM in them, and they connect to a host server, and then the financial transaction is very securely transmitted to our system, which there's an interface, and then our system takes it up and completes the transaction. So these are called multi-threaded applications. So there can be 10,000 applications coming in, multiple threads are generated, these threads get completed and returned back to that particular device. So here I'd like to just talk about a used case that we did on a specific device called the Leopard. So the problem was disbursing nearly 300,000 pensions for their senior citizens and aged people who are living in far off lands. And these could be offline, and some of them are not accessible through mobile networks. So going there, giving the money, and collecting a receipt from them, and also sending them SMSs and stuff like that. The earlier before this, what used to happen is that to actually have to walk to a bank or a post office physically over there to collect the cash. There was no other way to do it. But with a POS terminal, what we did is we deployed this across Botswana, and you could go either to the post office or to an agent in a small village and collect your cash, your pension. So that's how it operated. And we deployed 300,000 odd Evolute terminals there, and it was very well accepted, because the agent could also go to a home of obviously where if you're in your 80s or 90s and how do you receive a pension, the village person could actually go to this person's house and do the biometric validation, and then he would be able to receive the pension cash. The other challenge in pension often is whether this person is still alive or not, isn't it? Actually the largest fraud in the US is on the pension fronts. So this allowed the client to, because of a biometric, to validate that this customer is actually alive and he is able to receive. So the people in the village knew these are the people who are going to get the pension. They used to collect that much cash from post office, validate the guys, and they used to get the pensions on time, and everybody used to get an SMS that you received a fund. Earlier what used to happen is, till this person, lady or gent actually goes to the post office, his account could not be credited. But now on the end of the month, it's got to be. So it's a fantastic solution, widely appreciated, and done together with Evolute devices that really helped solve this particular problem. Thank you. It was my pleasure.